Welcome, today we're going to show you how to remove Steam Guard Authenticator app. So, the first thing that you need to do is to try to open Steam and try to log in with your account. After that, as see from here, it will ask you to use Steam Guard Authenticator. The first thing that you need to do is to try to click on enter a code instead and try to enter the code that you have backed up the first time through Steam Guard. If you don't have access to anything, you can click on I no longer have access to my authenticator. After that, click on contact Steam support for help. So now it will redirect you to the browser and you can from here talk to Steam support. So now you need to scroll down and click on I deleted or lost my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. You need to click on it. After that, you need to enter your email or phone number for your account. Hit on I am human and fix this puzzle as see from here. So from here you can actually click on I no longer have access to my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator again. And then click on text me on the phone number as see from here if you got access to your phone number. If you no longer have access to your phone number, you can click on the second option, which is I no longer have access to this phone number. You need to click on it. And now after you click on this option, they will email you a code to your email account. So now I see from here they will send you a recovery link for your Steam account. You can just click on it. So now from here, to actually remove the authenticator, you will have two options. The first option is to have the code that you backed up the first time and enter it right here. After that, click on remove Steam Guard. Or you can actually click on I lost my authenticator recovery code. So now you need to enter your information from here and they will actually help you and then they will remove Steam Guard for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.